So we come back here, and we're going to continue a little bit with Rabbi first by switching them back to Ethereum. So we do swap there. We can put the whole thing, since it's not Ethereum, which is the gas, it's USDC. USDC, we can have 0 at the end of the day. We don't care. That's what it is. The first we approve, we're going to see how much it's going to cost us. First, we accept, confirm, and there, less than a penny. And there, 19 cents in positive outright. So, that happens from time to time. It's quite rare, but there we're going to outright win 19 cents for having done that. So, it's not for that we do farming. It's not to win these 19 cents. But as I said, we can lose from time to time, depending on the liquidity pools, which are more important on one side than the other. Well, there, it's in our favor, and so we're going to have 19 cents more. Don't worry, we'll have sums much larger that will be won. There, it's switched back to Ethereum, and we're going to be able to farm something else. So, what are we going to do today? We can do, for example, a bridge. What's a bridge? It's, for example, on Rhino. So there's the link in the description, and we're going to be able to go make a bridge. That is to say, change blockchain. So there, I'm going to connect the Rabbi wallet, hop authenticated, authorized layer 2, and so there, we're going to be able to change from Arbitrum. Yes, there, with the link, if you arrive early enough, it's going to open this page for you. So, there, it's magnificent because it's still in time. If it's not there, you can directly skip the video of a few tens of seconds, and we meet on the other side. If you arrive on this page, it's great. You can do Mint Alpha, change network, and there we're going to be able to have an NFT. An NFT, it's going to allow us to have more points. Yeah, 15 cents, you see? Hop. So there, we're going to have more points at the same time. For the bridge, Rhino. So for the little boat on the map and at the same time for scroll. So if you want, we can look here. So there, as it's validated, we go in NFT, and there we have an NFT. In addition to allowing us to have free transactions, we're going to be able to have more points on the different projects. You call it Go to Bridge. There, directly here, on Bridge, and there we find our friends who have skipped the NFT step. We're going to take our Ethereum on Arbitrum. I remind you, you always have to leave a little bit for transaction fees. There, you see, 408. Yeah, that's way too much. If you leave 404, for example, $4 a little less on Arbitrum, we'll come back to get it in any case, since we're going to go back on Arbitrum from time to time. So you can leave the amount you want, but it's good anyway to take with you quite a bit each time, the majority, and we're going to go on scroll again. So, we do bridge, switch network. There, when we do switch network, it puts itself back on the right network, but it does it automatically. You just have to click on switch and you don't worry about it. It's good for us. There, we made our bridge. On Rhino. It tells us that it's good. A little later, we'll be able to go here in Mint NFT, scroll. Well, there, we can already do it. Right now, you see, just the fact of having made a transaction 10 days ago on scroll and then having left a little bit of Ethereum on the scroll blockchain, we're already part of the 57% who have farmed the most. When we get to 70%, you'll see that we're going to be able to have access to our NFT, which will make us earn more points. But as we're not there yet, if you're there, it's perfect. You can click here and do the NFT. There. We're not there yet, but we can still, since we already hold a little bit of Ethereum on scroll, compared to last time and at the bridge we just made now, we're going to be able to have another NFT. So, there. We're going to come and get it. It's going to cost us a little bit more, because it's $1.70, but you'll see it's worth it since we're going to earn quite a bit of points, and then the $1 will turn into thousands of dollars. Not right away. Of course, you have to wait a little bit, but it will happen one day or another. There we can see our NFT. So we did Rhino, which is another small boat that acts as a bridge, allowing us to go from island to island or from one blockchain to another. Currently we are on Scroll,